everyone, AuntDi here, or Diane. Anyways, I wanted to give you guys the heads up that I will not be posting any Cricut videos or crafting videos until September. My husband and I are going to be leaving at the end of this week to do a road trip. I am so excited. We live in Ontario, and we are going to pull the trailer all the way to BC and put my toes in the ocean. I've wanted to do this since I was a kid. We did a road trip out to Alberta once, and I wanted to redo it. So we're going to be. It's been a really, really rough year and a half for my husband and myself. We lost his father, and we've been having to do some dealings that, or have had to deal with some things that we never ever dreamt we would ever have to deal with. And it's been a very long year and a half. So my husband and I are going to pack up the trailer, and it's just going to be the two of us. No grandkids, no children, no dogs. And we're just going to concentrate on reconnecting our relationship. So we never even had a honeymoon. So this is going to be pretty awesome. I am so stoked and so looking forward to it. Just unfortunately, it's going to put a little bit of a damper into my crafting videos. I do plan on videoing our trip, and I will share it with all of you. But I just also wanted to tell everyone to have a wonderful rest of your summer. And we'll see you in the beginning of September again. So take care, guys, and a happy crafting.